Hello all, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we've ended up in the Yorkshire Dales, and as you can probably see in the background there, we've come along with a Porsche Cayman 2.5 turbo, Cayman S we've got, along with the BMW M135i. I did hint that we will be getting an exciting car on the channel, and this is it, to be honest. It's been a long time coming, but finally we've been able to arrange to come out and get this done. But yeah, so far I think we've done about 5 miles of it so far, and honestly the Yorkshire Dales is absolutely stunning. We've got, apparently it gets even more beautiful further up, but yeah, we're in this lovely little town called Sedberg. Apologies if I said that wrong, but yeah, absolutely stunning. It's just such a nice place, quiet place to be, and all these little tight little roads and beautiful little towns is stunning, and the views, oh wow, it's absolutely stunning. But yeah, I think this video, it's fair to say that it won't be me much talking, just be a lot of nice shots. We've got a drone with us today as well, so hopefully we'll get some nice shots of the cars in action pretty much. But yeah, that'll be great. So yeah, we'll get some more shots of these right now, and of course we'll just progress and drive through these wonderful country roads. Like I said, it'll be more scenic routes rather than me speaking through it. But yeah, so excited. So guys, made it back home. Honestly, the journey itself was absolutely amazing. Honestly, the roads, the views were on another level. Honestly, of course, we did Scotland not too long ago, a couple of weeks ago, I think it's been now. But yeah, I mean, this in its own right, the Yorkshire Dales, it really did blow my mind. Of course, I heard a lot of things about it, and it still managed to completely exceed all of my expectations that I had of it. I mean, of course, I've tried to get footage of it. Hopefully that drone footage that we've got, that came out quite good, but it never does it justice, does it? But this is one of them ones where I think you definitely have to go and experience it yourself. Of course, it's not too far. Scotland is, of course, a trek. That's a massive journey. This isn't too bad of a journey. I mean, we managed to do the Yorkshire Dales and back in about 4 or 5 hours it took, and yeah, I enjoyed every second of it. It was absolutely fantastic. Great views, great roads, and of course chasing that Porsche throughout the hills of the Yorkshire Dales, it was something. But yeah, great experience. Of course, we didn't really get much of a chance to talk you guys through that Porsche or the car. It was just a lot of footage of the road itself. Well, of course, we'll have to make another video focusing on the Porsche and of course on the BM. But yeah, this video is more on the Yorkshire Dales and pretty much like a tribute, let's say, to that, because it really does deserve one. It's a fantastic route, and to any of those who are wondering or wanting to do it, my recommendation is bloody do it. It's absolutely fantastic and you will not regret it. It's a wonderful road trip. Yeah, if you do feel car sick, don't do it. The roads are very twisted and there's lots of ups and downs. It's pretty much a roller coaster, but yeah, if you can hack those roads, definitely do it. It's fantastic. I'm actually shattered now. So yeah, I wish I could just go straight to bed because I am absolutely shattered, but maybe, as you can tell, there's a birthday party happening today. Just got some close family around, so yeah, that'll be nice. But yeah, tiring trip, but one that I'll always remember. It's a great trip. Of course, the BM, it was flawless. It's just amazing. I mean, on those roads, it performed so well. There were several occasions where there were, let's say, slower cars in front of us and caravans, and we just had to overtake them, and it just did it so easily without even being too silly. It just gets on with the speed and does every maneuver that you want it to do. It just gets on with it. It's fantastic. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope those clips that we've got of the scenery came out well. Like I said, and I will always say, it will never do it justice what we get on camera. It's always best to do it in person. So yeah, if you want to do the Yorkshire Dales and you've got a bit of a stomach for those roads, definitely do it. It's an amazing trip, and it's not too far out like Scotland. So yeah, it's quite doable in that sense. But yeah, so yeah, thank you very much then for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe for plenty more content and plenty more spontaneous road trips that lie ahead. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Goodbye.